This Monday, a weak cut of low pressure system will bring isolated thunderstorms to the west, but quickly weakening. Then we also have a series of cold fronts sliding south of the country. Behind these cold fronts, we're expecting an onshore flow of air to bring cooler conditions to the eastern part of the country with light showers around the eastern coast. But then later this week, this dominating high pressure system bringing extremely hot conditions to parts of the country. We can see only isolated showers and thunderstorms possible over most parts of the country. Scattered showers and thunderstorms possible in KwaZulu-Natal, but not much rain expected throughout this week. On Monday, patchy storms possible in the Northern Cape due to that cut of low pressure system. Isolated thunderstorms possible around the escarpment in the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal with light showers around the eastern coast. Cool conditions on Monday around the southern and the eastern coast, but otherwise we're expecting warm to hot conditions across the rest of the country. Cape Town is seeing a lovely 29. It will be a bit cooler throughout the rest of the week in the southwestern Cape. On Tuesday, we're expecting isolated thunderstorms yet again around the escarpment in the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, now over the Highveld as well, with light showers still possible around the eastern coast. Cool conditions yet again in the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. Cooler conditions around the southwestern and the southern coast. Cape Town are now seeing a high of only 23. Otherwise, we're expecting warm to hot conditions across the rest of the country. On Wednesday, we're expecting a surface trough to bring isolated thunderstorms to the central and the eastern part of the country. A few isolated storms also possible in Gauteng, but we're not expecting much rain the next few days in Gauteng. On Wednesday, we can see hot conditions due to bergwind conditions over parts of the Eastern Cape and the Northern Cape. Bit cooler now with the southwestern coast, only 21 the afternoon in Cape Town. Bergwind conditions also warming up the eastern coast and remaining warm to hot over the rest of the country. On Thursday, we're expecting isolated thunderstorms in parts of Mpumalanga and Limpopo, but otherwise a dry day across the rest of the country. Very hot conditions expected on Thursday over parts of the Eastern Cape due to bergwind conditions, remaining cool around the southwestern and the southern coast, and warm to hot over the rest of the country. Uppington reaching a high of 37 and Pretoria reaching a high of 31.